Hey, Matthew, are you doing math questions?
Sure am, Addison. You want to come help?
Yeah, I definitely do. Let's do it. Can I read it? I just got new glasses and I can read really well.
Sure you can, Addison. Go for it.
Reese bought 10 boxes of cereal for $90. How much did each box of cereal cost? Hey, Matthew, what kind of questions are we doing?
We're doing division. We're doing division with bar models. So we need to know the total, and we need to know whether we know the number of groups or how much is in each group.
Okay, that makes sense. Reese bought 10 boxes of cereal for $90. How much did each cereal box cost? Wow! I wonder if Reese bought peanut butter cereal. That would be awesome! Okay, so we know the number of boxes, but we don't know how much each one cost. So, how do we do a bar model for this? Oh, it's not too difficult. If you don't know the number of boxes, you kind of have to put dotted lines in between. But if you do know the number of boxes, you can simply draw them out. So let's see here. Alright, so this is his 10 boxes of cereal. Now, we're going to put the total amount up here. So how much did all of it cost altogether? Oh yeah, all of it cost $90. And in these boxes we put... Do we put anything in these boxes, Matthew? Actually, we're going to save those boxes for the amount that each box of cereal cost, which we don't know yet. But what we do know is the number of boxes. Now we need a division number sentence. Do you think you could figure that out, Addison? Yeah, I think so. So a division number sentence. So it's got to be something divided by something equals something. So, well, with division, we always have to start with the bigger number. I remember that. So let's put 90 there. And then do we just divide by our other number? We do, but can you tell me why? Well, not exactly. Alright, no problem. I'll explain it. It's actually not too difficult to understand. You probably already understand it and don't realize it. I'm going to take my $90 total cost and I'm going to split it up among all 10 boxes of cereal. That's going to give me a cost per cereal box. So 90 divided into 10 sections is going to give me the cost per box. That's why we're doing 90 divided by 10. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Now we just do division. 90 divided by 10. I remember this was like multiplication, but I can't exactly remember how. How do I use multiplication to solve this? Oh, you simply write it backwards. So something times 10 equals 90. Something times 10 equals 90. You just write it backwards and change the signs. So something times 10 equals 90. Do you know what that could be? Oh, I remember that. That's really easy because any number times 10, you just add a 0. So it must be 9. All right, you can go ahead and write that in the number sentence and in the cereal box. Great. 9 and then 9. Okay, now what? Well, now we've solved the question, so let's just write a little sentence summing it up. Okay, I can do that. Each box costs $9. Oh, right, we did it! Yeah, we sure did, Addison. Great job. All right. Mrs. Tan wanted to pack 66 pears into boxes of 6. How many boxes did she use if all the pears were packed into the boxes? So she had 66 pears and she wanted to put them into boxes of 6. The problem is we don't know how many boxes she would have filled up. So, Matthew said that we can use dots to show that we don't know the number of boxes. So let's draw one box. And then some dotted lines, draw the other box. All right, so we don't know how many boxes are going to be between here. But what we do know is how many are in each box. How many is that? 6. And the total? 66. I love pears. What's your favorite fruit? All right, what's blank here? The number of boxes. Matthew, you want to write out the division sentence? Sure thing, Addison. It's going to be our total, which is 66, divided by, what else do we know? We know the number per box, so let's divide it by that. Equals. All right, I'm going to turn it back over to you, Addison, for the hard job of figuring out what that answer will be. Yeah, no problem, Matthew. 66 divided by 6. Wow, that is a tricky one. Let me write it out in multiplication form. So I'm going to have my blank times 6 equals 66. All right. Now there are a couple of ways I can solve this. One is I can simply count by 6s until I get to 66 and figure out how many 6s I'd need. The other way is if I can recognize any patterns with my multiplication tables. Do you recognize a pattern with the number 66? I'll give you a hint. Both the tens column and the ones column are the same. What multiplication table do we know that always makes the tens column and the ones column the same? I'll give you a moment to think about it. Otherwise, you can count by 6s. All right, I'm going to count by 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Whoops! 66. I did it! How many was that? It was 11. Wow, what a big number. All right, let's write that in. 11 times 6. 66 divided by 6 equals 11. So there must be 11 boxes. All right. I'll write the sentence out. She used 11 boxes. Great job, everyone! Yeah, really great job. If you would like more practice with multiplication and division, don't forget to check out our other courses. You can look on our website for even more help if you'd like to. And don't forget to download the whole worksheet for this week and the answers so that you can follow along and get more practice at home. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Like, share, and subscribe for more Mathy Math videos. And we'll see you soon. Bye! Bye, everyone!